Hello friends, I recently bought this trimmer from Amazon. I bought this for replacement of my earlier trimmer that I had bought about a year back of Nova, and this got delivered to me on the same day with the option of 1-day delivery. So this is the SYSKA Ultra Trim Pro Styling Kit trimmer, both for hair as well as for beard, and the model number is HT3333K. Talking about what's mentioned on the box. So first we have this picture of the contents inside. I will open up and show it to you later. It comes with 3 changeable attachments, and the inbuilt battery, it takes about roughly 2 hours to charge. That's what is mentioned in the box. And on the side you have a couple of other information about the package contents, the specifications, and place where this was imported from. The MRP written here is 2199, as you can see, but I bought this from Amazon for 1199. I will leave the shopping link in the video description, so if you are interested you can use the link to purchase this product. On the back side we also have a couple of other information regarding the accessories. So we have the beard trimmer, which also can be used for trimming hair as well. It has a self-sharpening blade, 0.5 mm stuttle trimming, the on-off switch, the charging indicator, and the 3 accessories that comes along, which is the precision trimmer attachment, the nose hair trimmer, and the stubble comb, which has a precision range from 0.5 mm to 10 mm, and that says crafted in Korea, but yeah, it is made in China. So let me quickly open this box and show you what came inside. I've already opened this. I have actually used this a couple of times, and today in this video I will also be sharing with you what has been my experience of using this trimmer. So the first thing is obviously some pamphlets. Then I think we also get a carry case, nice little pouch, and some safety instructions, and I believe also the warranty card. Let me throw this away. This is the trimmer itself. It looks quite compact as compared to the Nova trimmer that I had purchased earlier. So as you can see, in terms of size, it's a bit slimmer and a bit shorter as well. Put this aside. The second one is another trimmer. By the way, this comes attached with, I don't know what this is called, but the first accessory with the bigger trimmer, and then the small trimmer, and then the nose trimmer. And then the best thing that I liked about this is this particular accessory. Actually is the adjustable stubble comb. The good thing I liked about is this the adjustable knob here. In the Nova trimmer, in terms of adjusting the comb, you had to kind of push this button and move it up and down, but here you can actually select by just adjusting this knob. So it supports from 0.05 all the way till 10 mm. So this is a good feature. I liked it. It's a useful feature to have this knob instead of the one that was there in the Nova trimmer. Then it comes with the charger and the charging cable, and then a small comb or a brush to just do the cleaning. So those are all the accessories that came along in terms of this attachment. So I just have to place it here and push it inside, and it's all done. I don't have to remove or adjust any knob. I just have to I don't have to push any button to adjust the the comb height, I can just play around with this knob and adjust the length accordingly. The other good feature that this comes along is also to adjust the depth of the trimmer. Let me remove this. So as you can see, the comb right now is in this position. So I can make this shorter by adjusting this knob, which is called the stubble trimming knob. So there are 3 stages. I have put this in stage 0, and then the first stage, and then the second stage. So when I do that, then the depth get adjusted, and accordingly I can decide how I want to adjust the trimming. So this is also another good feature which was not there in the earlier trimmer that I had from Nova. This also costed a little higher. This costed me about 1,400, but this is at a much lesser price at 1,000, almost 200 rupees less than the Nova trimmer. Overall, I liked it. I have used this a couple of times, and it does a very fine job. So those are all the contents inside the box. If you like the product, if you're interested to buy, please use the Amazon buying link in the video description. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day.